Now, let's talk about your new webcam. Your laptop may have a built-in camera, but using this webcam will give you a significantly clearer and sharper image and video. So why does this matter? It's because your built-in laptop camera often will produce low resolution and low quality video, especially when it comes to not ideal lighting conditions. Your new webcam, on the other hand, captures video in crisp, high definition, delivering better color, better detail, and better performance in various lighting conditions. This means that you'll look more professional, more polished, and more trustworthy on screen. Installation of your webcam is incredibly simple. You can either clip it onto your laptop by using the flap that's attached to it already, or using the tripod that we provided, you can just screw the webcam onto the tripod if you'd like. Then you're going to take the USB on the webcam and plug it directly into your laptop or your computer. The last thing to remember is when you're using a video conferencing app or a recording software, make sure that you change the video input to be your new webcam as opposed to the built-in camera. Now let's take a moment to look at the difference between video from your built-in camera versus your new webcam. As you can see, your built-in camera looks a little bit flat, whereas your new webcam provides vibrant and clear picture that truly represents your professionalism. I guarantee you that your audience will notice the upgrade in quality. Now that you're looking sharp, let's make sure you're perfectly lit.